In front of me is VIVO Y19s, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now if you can see microphone icon at the top right corner, click on this gear one instead. Select voice typing and make sure this switcher is blue. Then go back to your keyboard and click on No Visible Microphone. Tap on while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone. You can also tap on your microphone and click on tiny icon right next to it. Then hit next. Select done. And use voice typing from this toolbar. You can hold your toolbar and move it around however you wish to. To delete text on the go, use this icon with an X. To access some settings, click on those three lines on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, hit this keyboard icon, also on the left. Then wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!